Hello everyone, in this video we are to write 5 to the power 15 times 4 to the power 17 in a standard form. Before we begin, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and also like the video. Now let's get started. We have 5 to the power 15 times 4 to the power 17, but 17 is the same as 15 plus 2. So we have 5 to the power 15 times, this is the same as 4 to the power 15 times 4 to the power 2. This is because if we have a to the power m plus n, this is the same as a to the power m times a to the power n. So it makes sense, right? Now from here, we're going to have 5 times 4 all to the power 15. The reason is that the powers are the same, right? Then times 4 to the power 2. Now let's pay attention to this whole thing. From here, we can write it as 5 times 2 times 2. Then all to the power 15. So we can put the whole of this to the power 15. Then these two also to the power 15. Then times what we have here, which is also the same as 2 to the power 2, then all to the power 2. So you have 5 times 2 is 10, so we have 10 to the power 15 times 2 to the power 15 times this one will give us 2 to the power 4. Now let's consider this one. We have the same basis, so we can add their powers. So we will have 2 to the power 19 times this one here, that is 10 to the power 15. Mind you, we are supposed to write this in the standard form. Now we know that 2 to the power 19 is a very big number, that is 5, 2, 4, 2, 8, 8, then times 10 to the power 15. How do we write this in the standard form? Let's do that. We are moving from the right to the left, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we moved 5 times from here. So we're going to have 5.24288 times 10 to the power 5. Then times what we have here, 10 to the power 15. We have the same basis, so we can add their powers. So we're going to have 5.24288 times 10 to the power 20 as our final answer. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Like the video, comment, and share. See you again on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.